So all right, we're here at another Goodwill. Let's check it out, see what we can find. Okay guys, so I always come right in, look in the glass case if there's anything in there, and then I'll take and check out the books and the electronics. Not really seeing anything as I make my way around the store here. I did look that up. Comps, I really couldn't find any comps. Nothing in the bag section right there, or purses. Everything on this shelf here, $4. Yeah, not really seeing anything. It's probably because it's a Monday morning. Probably been picked through over the weekend. Still nothing. And you'll have days like that. Some days you find things, other days you find nothing. But that's just the way it is. Every day's not going to be a home run. Yep, still nothing. Not really seeing anything. Nothing in the golf clubs, in the glassware. Striking out in the shoes. Nothing today. It's just a lot of nothing. Again, you'll have that. And I'm sure there are things in here that I'm not seeing that may be worth some money that, I'm just not seeing. But, I got to see, things that I enjoy picking up, selling. Also, it's got to have a certain profit margin. Of course, I'm always going to look in the jeans section. I'm always looking for vintage jeans. No, still nothing. Checked out these Levi's. Nah, they weren't vintage. I did find this pair of Nine West jeans. They're brand new. Pulled some comps on them. Making our way around the store. Back over here with the toys and luggage, and I did find this this bag here. Guys, so didn't really find a whole lot. I did pick up that pair of jeans, that brand new pair of jeans. I don't know. I wouldn't have never picked them up, but they got the tag, so I figured, hey, why not? It's brand new. Maybe we can get $20 out of them, And then I picked up that Christian Adjure, like messenger bag kind of thing. I know the Ed Hardy prints and stuff are really, going right now. So maybe I can piggyback off of that kind of vibe or whatever, and maybe get 20 bucks out of that. So I ain't breaking the bank, but spent $10, and maybe we can make 40. All right, on to the next one. All right, let's go see what treasures we can find. All right, like I say, I always check the glass cases. You never know what you're going to find in there. A lot of times items are priced too high, but you never know. Check out the shoes, or at least one rack. Here we find a pair of Hoka ones. A great brand to sell, but these right here are really beat up. Yeah, you see the creases, and it's also torn right there. Electronics, not a whole lot going on in this store either, just a lot of coffee makers. A whole lot going on. Like I say, maybe it was because it's Monday morning, they hadn't put out any new stuff. Ball gloves. I always like to pick up ball gloves, but I think I pulled a comp on this one, and I just wasn't feeling it. No shirts, nothing. All right, that was pretty much a strikeout. I did find a hat for $1. It's new, tags. We might sell it for 20, but